Welcome to AudioLab English. Today's story is The Whispering Umbrella. Listen very carefully, because at the end of this video, there is a mini 3-question quiz to test your English skills. Write your answers in the comments. Let's start. Leo was a young journalist in London. One rainy Tuesday, it was very cold. Leo forgot his umbrella. He walked into a small, old shop to buy one. The shop was dark and smelled like old books. An old man smiled and gave Leo a strange, green umbrella. "This is a special umbrella," the old man said. Leo paid £5 and left. Leo opened the green umbrella. Suddenly, he heard a soft voice. It was a whisper. The voice came from inside the umbrella. The umbrella said, "Walk to the Grand Library. Look under the red chair." Leo was shocked. Was he crazy? He walked to the library. He found the red chair, looked under it, and found a lost, expensive gold watch. The next day, Leo opened the umbrella again. The voice whispered, "Go to the river. A man in a black coat needs help." Leo ran to the river. He saw a man dropping a secret notebook into the water. Leo caught the notebook. Suddenly, 2 police officers arrived and arrested the man in the black coat. He was a famous thief. Leo looked down at his green umbrella, but it was just a normal umbrella now. The magic voice was gone. Leo wrote a great story for his newspaper. He became a famous journalist, all thanks to a rainy day and a whispering umbrella. Now it is quiz time. Test your English. Question 1. What color was the special umbrella? A. Red. B. Green. Question 2. What did Leo find under the red chair? A. A gold watch. B. A secret book. Question 3. Who was the man in the black coat? A. A police officer. B. A famous thief. Write your answers like 1A, 2B, 3A in the comments below. See you in the next story.